Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As you saw, the Mustang has some old license plate lights, so it's time to upgrade those. The Mustang is a 2004 GT, so it's older. One cheap way to make it look a little bit newer is by getting these LED lights for the license plate. So these little license plate lights are about $15 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. Although some people don't want to make their license plate more visible, right now with the existing lights that I have on my Mustang for the license plate, they look old, they're different colors, one's brighter than the other, and it just makes it look kind of trashy and dingy. So I decided to get these. Again, it's plug and play, you know, really easy. There's just a couple screws that hold each of these in. Won't take more than, you know, a couple minutes to swap these out, but I think it's gonna make a pretty big difference. Stay tuned. So switching out these license plate lights is a pretty easy update. These are the original ones right here. The reason why this one looks like it's glowing is because I have a light that comes on whenever you have a trunk lid open. Basically, you just unscrew these and it's plug and play with the new ones. All right, so I get the first one out. Originally it has this bulb in there and there's a casing for it. All right, so here's your side-by-side. Here's the new LED. That is the original. Huge difference. There we go. So thanks again for watching. These little $15 lights are definitely worth it. I think it makes a big difference in the way that the back of the car looks. I prefer it, so to me, this was a good buy. Again, if you want to purchase your own, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.